So, hi everyone. Hugging Face has just now dropped a free course on Model Context Protocol MCP servers with a certification as well. So, the course looks to be a little shallow for now. I think three topics covered, as you can see on my left: introduction to Model Context Protocol, use case, end-to-end MCP application, and use case advanced MCP application. But this gives a certificate also, and MCP is something that I believe everyone should learn ASAP in 2025 because this is gaining up quite some traction on the internet and leads to a full AI automation. I call it as AI agents 2.0 as well, because this is not just coding AI agents, but AI agents are now controlling the full softwares also. So I was just going through the course syllabus here, and it looks okayish, if not great, to be honest. They have mentioned what you will understand: the theory, design, and practice. Learn to use established MCP SDKs and frameworks. Share our projects. Participate in challenges and earn a certificate. I think this is very important, and you can sign up for the course from the. I will be sharing the link below, so don't worry about it. What are the components of this course? Foundational units, hands-on, use case assignments, and collaboration. Looking at the syllabus, onboarding, setup with the tools and platforms, MCP fundamentals, architecture, and core concepts, end-to-end use case, build a simple end-to-end MCP application, deploy a use case, and bonus units. What are some prerequisites? I think AI and LLM, as we expect, familiarity with software development principles and API, experience with either Python or TypeScript is a plus. Apart from that, they've already released a couple of courses free of cost on LLM as well, and AI agents also. And that's it. As they've mentioned, you don't need anything. You just can create a free account on Hugging Face and can access the particular course. The certification process, they have very clearly mentioned: to get a certificate for fundamentals, you need to complete unit 1 of the course. To get a certificate of completion, you need to complete the use cases units 2 and 3. So there are two types of certificates that the team is providing. And these are the best practices. Other things are present. So let's deep dive. Let me try out the first course, what they have, what you will learn in this unit. What is MCP? Learn the key concepts, integration challenges, key benefits. So this is more theoretical, as you can see. Overview of unit 1. We can start off with the first unit. Here it is explaining the key concept of MCP, the integration problem. M cross an integration problem refers to the challenge of connecting M different A applications to N different external tools. I think this is a good analogy they have given. So here they showed that without MCP, how the problem looks like. So model 1 gets connected to calculator, model 1 gets connected to file system, model 1 gets connected to database. So everyone needs to get connected to every other AI app tool that they want to use. With MCP, it is M plus N solution. So at the central, MCP will help you to get to a common sort of a extension board to which everything is getting connected. So I think this particular analog is pretty good. I would say rest of the course looks good to me, looks okayish, but looks a little shallow, to be honest. I think here they're talking about the architectural components: host, client, and server. What does the host do? What does the client do? What does the server do? And how does the communication flow? I think if you are more towards using of MCP, this course tells you about how an MCP work and all those things. But at times, what I have seen, people wish to use MCPs because different softwares are providing their own MCP servers. So for now, I don't see that happening. It's more of a theoretical course I can see. Here, I think something is coming out around the JSON that you need to set up, initializations, understanding MCP capabilities, exposes a variety of capabilities to clients through communication protocol, prompts, sampling. A lot of things are there. I'm just going through the entire course. MCP SDK. I think MCP provides SDKs also in JavaScript, Python, and other languages. I have used the Python SDK, and it's quite good to create MCP servers of your own. using fast MCP. Yes, they are using fast MCP here. So in this case, you can create your own MCP servers also. Okay, okay. For till now, I think if I'm looking at the units, it's not towards hands-on guide. I would say it's good. I'm not saying it's bad, but as you can see here, they have shared some important MCP servers like File Explorer is one. Yes, with this you can connect your local system with AI, and eventually it can clean up your system, get you count of total files. Similarly, GitHub MCP is also given how to connect with GitHub so that AI can control your GitHub directly, and that's it. Okay, they haven't mentioned many MCPs. To be honest, Gradio MCP integration they've explained here how you can get Gradio MCP integration, but there are many. To be honest, I think in my YouTube channel I've already covered MCPs around YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many other applications like PowerPoint, Excel. So these are missing according to me. To be honest, build an end-to-end MCP server. Here they are providing how to get started building an MCP server. Building the Gradio MCP server. I can see the content. Okay, looks decent, but not great. I would say. Yeah, it's worth of a free content only. I would say it's good to get started, but a lot of things are missing here. To be honest, because what I have understood till now with working with MCPs, I've written a book also that I would be publishing soon. As you can see, this course is more towards how you can create a Gradio MCP with Hugging Face. So, like they are trying to promote their own content, I would say. But yes, I would say that given such a course for free, I think still a good thing to have, and you should try it out. But don't rely too much on that. The free content is looking free only. It's worth free itself. So not much depth has been provided, and they have missed out on many important MCPs. I would say, WhatsApp MCP is there, Twitter, LinkedIn, Excel, PowerPoint. They haven't talked anything. They have directly came to Gradio MCP integration so that they can teach people how to create Gradio applications on Hugging Face. But I think so far so good. I would rate it a 6 or 7 to be honest on 10. You can try it out. It gives you a free certification, so that's the best part. I have shared the link in the comment section below. I hope you try out the course.